हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द चैप्टर नंबर 3 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज द पास्ट टेंस. Past tense refer to actions that happened in the past in a few seconds ago or years ago. A verb used to show that an action was completed in the past time. It is said to be in the past tense. मतलब वो एक्शन जो पास्ट में हो चुका है उसे हम पास्ट टेंस बोलते हैं. Now the first thing in this one is simple past tense. So let's see the form of it. The simple past tense is formed by the with the past tense, that is verb second form. The negative is formed with did not plus first form of the verb. The interrogative is formed with did plus subject plus first form of the verb, and at the end question mark. आप यहाँ पर टेबल देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि आई प्लेड, वी प्लेड, ईडी लग जाएगा. यू डिड नॉट प्ले, यू के साथ डिड नॉट. ओके, नॉट जो है आपका नेगेटिव में आ जाएगा. यू डिड प्ले, ठीक है, ये आपका थोड़ा पॉजिटिव एफर्मेटिव फॉर्म में हो जाएगा. ही डिडंट प्ले, शी डिडंट प्ले. ओके, अगर क्वेश्चन फॉर्म बनाए तो डिड आई प्ले, डिड वी प्ले, डिड यू प्ले, डिड शी प्ले. ओके, now let's see the uses. The simple past tense is used, सबसे पहले आपको दे रखा है, to express a past event or action, past action. The action is completely unrelated. The action is completely unrelated to the present. It is therefore used for completed action or events. जैसे कि when the time is given, he died in 1985. जब time given हो. Okay. When the time is not given but it is implied and definite, जब time given ना हो, जैसे कि I bought this dress in Mumbai. Next one, when the time is asked for, ठीक है, जब टाइम पूछा गया हो. When did you meet her? For repeated events in the past, repeated events अगर पास्ट में हुए हो, जैसे कि she always asked for a ride when father would come home from the office. Next one, for a past habit, my grandmother liked a cup of tea at bedtime. He never drank. Next one, to express an action which lasted for a period of time in the past. She worked in that office for 5 years but does not work there anymore. He lived in Bangalore for a long time but does not live there anymore. Next one, for in the simple past tense expresses the duration of the past action. ये duration बता रहा है past action का. Okay. For permanent or a long term situation in the past. Permanent या long term situation in the past के लिए बता रहा है ये. जैसे कि I really enjoyed myself when I was a child. अच्छा, तो यहाँ पर ये बताया गया स्टूडेंट्स दैट फॉर परमानेंट और लॉन्ग टर्म सिचुएशन द पास्ट, मतलब कि एक लॉन्ग टर्म सिचुएशन द पास्ट के बारे में भी हम मतलब सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि आप इसमें देख सकते हो एग्जांपल में, आई रियली एंजॉयड माई सेल्फ व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. सबसे पहले आप इसके फॉर्म देखेंगे. द पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस इज फॉर्म बाय वर्ब स्लैश वर्ब प्लस सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म. द नेगेटिव इज फॉर्म बाय पुटिंग not after word slash word. The interrogative is formed by putting word slash word before the subject and the question mark at the end. Okay, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, I was, okay, she was, he was, I, she, he, it के साथ आप words use करोगे, we, you, they के साथ आप word use करोगे. Okay, question form बनाओगे तो was I playing, okay, were they playing. Next is the uses. The past continuous tense is used to express an action that was progress at some time in the past, जो चल रहा था past में. जैसे कि I was playing in the lesson of my school when she came. Okay, when I reached home, it was still raining. Next one, to express two or more actions in progress at the same time. Two or more actions को express कर रहे हैं at the same time. जैसे कि while I was doing my homework, my sister was playing outside. The students were talking with the teacher. The students were talking when the teacher was writing on the blackboard. Next one, to express an often repeated undesirable past action with a word like always or continually. Okay, जैसे कि he was always haunting her. Next one, in descriptions में हम यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि John was playing piano and Madhuri was singing. All the guests were dancing except Angetma. नेक्स्ट वन, इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच एज ए इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हम यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि डायरेक्ट अगर हो गया, प्राची सेड आई एम ट्रैवलिंग बाय द जन शताब्दी. इनडायरेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा, प्राची सेड दैट शी वाज ट्रैवलिंग बाय द जन शताब्दी. ओके, इन पोलाइट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट हाउ अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वाज स्पेंट, उसमें हम इसका यूज करते हैं पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस का, what were you doing when I called you. Next one, for unfulfilled plans with verbs like hope, plan, etc. इनके साथ हम past continuous यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि I was hoping to find a new shirt but I didn't find one. Now before moving further, there is a note. Study carefully the following points about the use of this one. So here you can see this tense tells that the action was in progress at a certain point of time in the past and was not completed by that time. अभी तक complete नहीं हुआ है, मतलब this tense does not tell when the action began and when it ended. ओके ये बताता नहीं कि कब शुरू हुआ एक्शन, कब खत्म हुआ. दिस टेंस इज फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज विद द सिंपल पास्ट. फ्रीक्वेंटली ये सिंपल पास्ट के साथ यूज होता है. द वर्ब इन द सिंपल पास्ट शोज द कंप्लीटेड एक्शन एंड एट दैट टाइम अदर एक्शन वाज इन प्रोग्रेस. एक हो गया कंप्लीट, तो दूसरा जो है वो एक्शन वो भी प्रोग्रेस में है. नेक्स्ट वन, द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द कंप्लीटेड एक्शन इन शॉर्ट व्हाइल द अदर एक्शन गोज ऑन फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन. ठीक है, एक होता है जो शॉर्टर फॉर्म में, एक होता है जो लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन के चल रहा होता है. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. इसका फॉर्म आप देख सकते हो. दिस टेंस इज फॉर्म विद हैड प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. द नेगेटिव इज फॉर्म बाय पुटिंग नॉट आफ्टर हैड. द इंटरोगेटिव इज फॉर्म बाय पुटिंग हैड बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, आई, वी हैड, यू हैड, ही हैड, शी हैड. ओके, हैड I played, had she played, had they played. Okay, now let's see the uses. The past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Okay, जैसे कि the message came after he had left the office. At 17 years, she had passed her BCom examinations. Next one, to express an action in the past which was completed before another action also in the past. ओके, एक एक्शन जो पहले से ही कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ठीक है, ऑल्सो इन द पास्ट. जैसे कि वी हैड लॉक्ड ऑल द रूम्स बिफोर वी लेफ्ट द हाउस. आई हैड ऑलरेडी नोन द रिजल्ट व्हेन शी rang me up. Now next one, to express unfulfilled desires of the past. For example, I had not listened to my mother's advice. I did not listen. Okay. Next thing, if only she hadn't wasted her time, but she wasted. Okay. Next one, to express possible unfulfilled conditions of the past. Possible unfulfilled condition of the past. जैसे कि if you had worked hard, you would have passed. If she had left earlier, she would have reached in time. Okay. Now before moving further, there is a note. We do not use the past perfect tense if one action happens at the same time as another. अगर एक action जो है वो हो रहा है same time में जब दूसरा हो रहा है. When Kareem's father saw the result, he was horrified. Okay, not when Kareem's father had seen. Next one, if one action comes immediately after the other. एक action जो है दूसरे के एकदम बाद आ रहा है and is connected to it और से connected है. जैसे कि when Mrs. Bansal heard the baby Annie, she ran to pick her up. Okay, not when Mrs. Bansal had heard. Okay, now the next one is, students, past perfect continuous tense. So the form is, this tense is formed with had been plus second form of the verb plus ing. The negative is formed by putting not after had. The interrogative is formed by putting had before the subject. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, I had been playing, she had been playing, they had been playing, they had not been playing. Okay, अब क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा? Had I been playing, had she been playing, had they been playing. Now let's see the uses. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began before a certain time on the past and continue up to the time or stop just before it. Okay, जो चल रहा था अभी भी, मतलब एक हो गया, एक चल रहा है अभी भी. जैसे कि she had been sleeping for an hour when I reached her house. Until he reached 8th class, Rakesh had been studying in a village school. Next one, to express a repeated action, the past perfect as a continuous action. Okay, जैसे कि she had tried many times to phone him. That means she had been trying to phone him. I hope, student, that you understood this chapter. और आपका homework है कि आपको इसके following exercise part को complete करना है. Now I'm going to meet you in another class. Till then, students, bye bye.